Alrighty, so we've got a iPhone that we're going to be replacing the battery with today. So we got my little happy fancy dancy toolkit and we'll be getting into it. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna take the phone out of its case. Whew. Beat up good. Turn the phone off. Taking apart this bad boy. That'll work much better. There we go. There we go. Screw number one. I love these magnetic pads. A lot of these places come with them. It's fantastic for removing screws and not losing them. So, yeah, it's great. All right, now we're just gonna figure out how to open this box. There we go. Look at this. It comes with the battery. Oh, look at that. It comes with all the tools. Get rid of that. Comes with the new screen adhesive. All this fun stuff. Okay, cool. Well, since we've got tools available to us, let's use them. Alrighty, here we go. So you got your suction cup. Suction cup is used for removing the screen. Get it a bit wet, put it on here. You can apply a little bit of pressure out, and then what we do is, because the phone is sealed here, waterproof coating, it'll take a little bit of encouragement to get out. Oh yeah, SIM card. And pop that out. Just because we can. Our spudger in here. All right, so I've heated up the rice bag and laid it down across here. Now I'm just opening up the screen. Just ran down the left side, and then you do the right side. There's cables underneath the right side. Just gotta be careful with it. Cut open all the stuff. All the adhesive. Alrighty. Now that the adhesive's done, we have our phone open, and now we're just gonna undo the battery cover and then put the battery in. And I have found a mug is the perfect thing to hold the case open. It comes out. Use the spudger with the battery, which already wants to come out. So believe it or not, there's a screw that had fallen out here. See across here, there's one hole there. It's missing, and that was that extra screw that I just found. Crazy that that would be loose. Okay, now comes the fun part. Heat up the eye opener again, like a rice, and yeah, release the battery. Okay, so now I've got the hot rice underneath here, so I just got a bag of sock or whatever, and then you put rice inside it, and then you microwave it for 2 minutes. So the battery is disconnected. That is the cleanest removal I have done, thanks to that bag of rice. Thing is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There we go. All right. So we got the new battery cell, 3850 milliamps, as opposed to, I forget what it was, 2000 or something like that. It doesn't even say 11 watt hours. This one's 11 watt hours. This one's 14. So, pretty cool they're able to pack that all in there. Now here's the trick. Put these two bad boys on there, so onto your battery assembly itself. And that way, when you're done, it'll only stick to those guys. And you take this off very carefully. Make sure it's on there nice and good. Bucko! And then here's another thing I've learned. Put the battery in. First, and then set it down so you don't screw up the location comparative to the shield here. Because once you get the battery in, it's hard, you can't really have the wiggle room. So now it's in and that's good. And check. It's better. Beautiful. Now it's time to place this on. Take the whole screen off.
It launched off.
Okay, time to put everything back together.
The first one airs out, then it's still and it's out.
Okay, so every screw I touched is now snug. We gotta lock in those plastic nubbin.
I'm usually pressing a lot of buttons to see which ones place.
That off. Slid in. Seems to be going down nicely. And we're in. There we go. It's turning on. Woo. Put the last two screws in the bottom. Okay. Just make sure everything else works fine. So we got touch is working. Camera. Always want to check the front camera.
I love those.
Front camera works. Took a picture just for fun. Alright. 3D touch. Everything seems to be working. Screen's good. Battery's in. All done.